Hi, in this tutorial we're going to learn how to create drop-down menu with jQuery. So basically when you mouse hover the button, it pops up, and obviously we can pick any other link from the menu. We can go to any other link. If you mouse hover the main button going onto the drop-down, you can see that the main button becomes active as well, and so on. So let's open our text editor, create a new page called index.php, and inside of this page simply create the HTML structure of the page itself. Now in between the body tags, if we start typing div with the ID WR, we're just going to create a basic structure for our navigation, then UL ID MNV for main navigation. Inside of this main navigation, LI A href, and the first one will be question mark p equals index. It's going to be our index page, and the label for this index page will be welcome. Then if we copy this, create a new page, this one will be called about us, and the parameter will equal about. Then we will have one called services, and obviously p parameter will be services as well. Next one, support, and the parameter support. Obviously you will create your own labels depending on what kind of pages you want to create, but for the purpose of this tutorial I'm going to create 5 different ones. Contact us with the parameter of contact. Now about us will have the drop-down menu with additional 3 pages. So after the A tag, before the closing LI tag, we create 2 new lines, and now if we start UL, and inside of this we're going to create another LI with the ahref. Now we're going to create the p parameter with the about value, and as an ampersand, s equals the first one will be history, and a label history. If we copy this and paste it twice, second one will be meet our team, and yes parameter will be team, and the last one will be testimonials, and the yes parameter testimonials. Okay, now that we have our structure ready, we need to also include our style sheet, which we will create in a minute, and our JavaScript files. So inside of our root folder, let's create the first directory called CSS, and inside of this directory let's create the file called core.css. Inside of the core we will create the styles, but before this let's include this on the page. I have those handy clips here, so if I just use the style sheet link, if you haven't got option to add it automatically, simply type link href, and link in between href double quotes, type the path to your CSS file, which will be css core.css, and then rel style sheet type text/css. So that's how we've included our CSS file. Then next one will be JS for our JavaScript files. One of them will be called functions.js. Again, we will be working with this file in just a minute, but for now let's just include the file on the page. So JavaScript, there we go, script type equals text/JavaScript source, and in the source it will be js/functions.js. Now we will be creating our navigation using jQuery. So if we go to our browser, open new page, go to Google, download jQuery. If we go on to the first link, there's a jQuery download page. If we go to the current release, currently it's 1.4.2. If we download the minified version, first copy the name of the file, go back to our editor, and inside of the JS folder create the file with the same name. And if we go back, now select the entire content of this page and paste inside of our jQuery file. Now that it's saved, we can close it, Okay, and we are ready to go to the next video.